The 2013 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, MP3 player, passenger airbag, power door locks, power windows, child safety locks, passenger airbag on-off switch, daytime running lights. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.